Hi friends, it's Teacher Sarah, and I have a really fun activity for you. It's a STEM activity of making a catapult game. And catapult's kind of a fancy word, isn't it? And we're gonna figure out what it is and how you can use it to kind of create your own game. So, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 6 popsicle sticks or craft sticks, 3 rubber bands, a plastic spoon, 5 plastic cups, or you can use paper cups, some tape, some scissors, and you're gonna need a kind of to recycle one of your cereal boxes. So, in order to make your catapult, you're gonna need to have 5 of your 6, and you'll have to count them out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're gonna stack them together so it creates a pile. Then, once you have your pile stacked together, you're gonna take your last popsicle stick and you're gonna slide it through where it's above the last one on the bottom. And then you're gonna slide it on the opposite end so it kind of makes a plus sign or even an X, and slide it into the middle. Then you're going to take one of your rubber bands and you're going to tie the one end that has the 5 put together. So you might need an adult to help you tie the ends. So once you get the one end, it makes it a little bit easier to do the other end. So then you're gonna take another rubber band and tie around the other end. So that way, and make sure you might have to wrap it around a couple times in order to make sure it's nice and tight. So then your catapult looks like this. It's kind of like a lowercase t. Then you're gonna take your plastic spoon and you're going to set it above on the single popsicle stick side, and you're gonna wrap the end of your plastic spoon and tie it to one of the one popsicle stick. So you wanna make sure it's nice and tight. So then your catapult looks like this. Now, what you can do is you can use recyclable bottle caps, or you can use marbles, or even cotton balls to make it less messy and avoid any accidents, because we want to be safe too. So you can use those. And what I did was I kind of created my own little game board. So I used my tape and I taped my plastic cups kind of, zigzag up, so that way it's a little bit of a challenge. And I wrote numbers so that way if your friends need to practice math or counting, they could try to put their bottle caps or cotton balls on the catapult and fling it into one of the cups. And you can make it into a game where you can play with your siblings or your cousins or your mom or dad. And then you can use this and aim by taping it to your wall, or if you just want to have cups on the table and kind of try and get it into the cup on the table, you can do that too. But it's a really fun activity, and I would love to see what you guys can come up with. I hope you enjoy that activity. Thanks.